Okay, let's get right to it. We're going to prep the nail, remove the shine, get all that cuticle off. You're going to go in with a thin coat of rubber gel base, and you're going to want to make sure to get it nice and covered and smooth, and then you're going to cure in your lamp for 30 seconds. Then you're going to put some slip solution in a cap. I like to set it in a bowl just so it doesn't get on our table. You're going to choose a tip of your size. I'm actually trying out these extra stilettos that I ordered. You're going to put some gel in the inner side of the tip, and you're going to smooth it down with a dampened brush with the slip solution. You're going to want to keep it thinner towards the cuticle, built up more towards the middle, and thinner around the edges. You're just gonna play with it. If it feels sticky, you're gonna want to get some more slip solution on there. I do have a little bit too much acrylic gel on this tip right now, but that's okay. You'll see it'll smush out the bottom and we'll be able to clean that off. You're gonna set it on there and you're gonna push it down kind of lightly, and there you can see the extra gel smushed out. You're just going to clean it up with your dampened brush. Then you're going to take your clip and you're going to clip your nail down. You're going to want to put the rounded side up, dampen that brush, and just push and smooth down anything that pushed up from the nail underneath. Then you're going to cure for 30 seconds. 60 seconds. Then you're gonna gently wiggle and press the tip off. You can kind of see it coming up. This one I struggled with a little bit. The ones that come with the kit came off way easier. And the tips you can actually save to reuse. Then you're going to wipe your nail underneath and on top with alcohol. Then you're gonna go in and just smooth the edges. You're going to file out any imperfections, and you're going to buff. Now, I'm by no means a pro at this. I've only done 3 full sets, and I have to say, I love how smooth they come out and the perfect shape pretty much. They just need to be slightly cleaned up. I'm really excited to play more with these. Super fun. Really easy to do, and that's about it. Then you're gonna finish as usual.